Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix Google Play Store is not working in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're using S25 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your Google Play Store is not working, it's not opening or it's not downloading apps, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to your settings and here go to software update. Make sure that your software is up to date. You might have any pending software update here. Then go to device care and here go to storage. You have to make sure that you have enough storage in your phone, almost 15 to 20 GB free with your phone storage to download and install any app as well without any issue like that. So once you have done, now you have to go to Play Store again and here recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, click on this profile icon over here, scroll down and then click on settings, click on about and here you must see the option of update Play Store. Click on it and then click on understood if your Google Play Store is up to date. If you might have any pending update for your Play Store, it will be updated from here. So once you update your Play Store, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, keep a long press on your Play Store. Click on this I button or info icon to open app info in your settings. Now once you are here, just scroll down, go to storage and click on clear cache and then click on clear data. So it will clear all the data from your Google Play Store, then go back, click on force stop, click OK. After force stopping, you have to reopen your Play Store or you can also try this. You can also keep a long press on it again, click on info button, click on force stop, and after force stopping, make a restart with your phone. Just click on this power icon over here, click on restart, and then click on this restart option again to make a restart with the device. So after restarting, you have to reuse your Play Store, and this time you will not get any issue like that. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Play Store isn't working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.